The Synergy 370 and 380 allow for a battery backup. That's optional. Once installed, the battery will require 24 hours to charge. The battery backup plugs into port XN70. Plug in the fuse. Add the LED lens. Now, once your battery is plugged in and wired, the operator will automatically acknowledge the battery by the number 3 icon illuminating on the LC display. If it doesn't, be sure to go to the advanced programming mode, level 5, menu 7, and the setting needs to be 2. So level 5, menu 7, setting 2. Setting 2, press and hold P for 3 to 5 seconds to exit out. And once you see the icon on, your operator is now in standby and ready for operation.